To change wallpaper on the Samsung A37 5G, you can easily do this by opening the settings. Right now you will have to go into the wallpaper and the style settings, and now you have to click to change wallpapers. And now we can pick any wallpaper from the default wallpapers, or we can just go for your gallery and pick something, for example, from your downloads. So if I want to get, for example, this photo as my wallpaper, I have to just click on it, and now I can decide if I want to put it on the both screens, or for example, I can set a different screen for each of my screen. And right now, if I'm gonna apply this, for example, for my lock screen, I have to click next. Now I'll get a preview, how it looks. I can additionally add some effects. Wait until it will be applied. Okay, never mind, it just takes too much time. Okay, now it is. But so some filters actually, and here we can actually find some frames that will look just like this. Some colors of the frame, by the way. If I want to get this one, I have to just click down in the right upper corner and it will be applied.